What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Mudkip from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the oval, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So I'm going to start by lining up the top, come down, and then bend that back up. Along the top of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for highlight. And then we'll want to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, we can move to the center, step up and draw that top fin. So we start by bending this out towards the right, curve this back up and in towards the top. Let's round out that fin. Coming around, round out the left side. I'm just going to bring this in, but they're going to come in a little bit higher than the line on the right. Let's add two seams across the top. Starting from the top of this curve, we're going to bend this out toward the left, and then down, step over, and then draw that again. Coming down a little bit lower. Now with that fan in place, we can tuck the head in behind. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this out, and curve that down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going out, and then down towards the same height. Now along the side we're going to add those fins. So we're going to step in, bend this up, and then out on both sides. Curve the bottom, come down and in. Let's add another point in the middle. So we're going to step in to overlap, bend this out, down and in. And then we'll add one more point underneath. So we're going to step back, this around, and then bend that back up. Let's round out the bottom of the head. From the left side, we're going to step down, curve this down, go across, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's separate the edge of that fin. Starting on the left side, curve this around, down, and then out. Now we're going to move down and draw a curve for the mouth. Going to go up and then down towards the right. Let's move to the inside and draw two short lines across the nostrils. Now along the bottom of the head, we're going to step up, draw the bottom edge of the mouth, coming down and then up. And we'll add the tongue shifted over toward the left side. So from here, bend this up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the front leg, starting underneath the head in the middle, bend this out toward the left, down towards the bottom. Now I want to round out the bottom of the leg, go up, and then in. Let's move all the way over towards the right side. I'm going to draw the body and just tuck this in behind the leg. Now let's go back up to the top, step over, I'm going to draw that back leg, coming down and out, round this out, and just tuck that in underneath. Now underneath the body, we're going to draw the back leg, I'm just going to round that out. I want to continue this curve over on the left side of that front leg, bend this up, and we'll tuck the back leg in underneath. So just step back, coming down, round at the bottom of the leg, go up, and then in. We're going to go back and separate the toes with two curves along the bottom. Now we're going to finish off with that large fin across the back. So let's start on top here. Bend this up and then out. Round at the top. Curve this down and in towards the bottom. I'm just going to tuck this in behind the leg. We want to add two seams inside, starting from the top. And then the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mudkip from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.